Between 1960 and 1968, artist Robert Freimark traveled across the United States for inspiration on a series of works to capture the spirit and essence of each state. Driven by his patriotism and awe of natural and cultural landscapes, and informed from sketches, memories, and his own impressions, he created this series of serigraphs, screen prints reflecting on the unique qualities of each of the 50 states. First shown during the United States Bicentennial in 1976, we are delighted to bring Freimark's 50 states together to celebrate America's 250th and the American dreams woven into these incredible pieces of art. Welcome to Celebrating 250 Years, A Journey Through America with Robert Freimark. I'm Jason Vaughan, a curator here at the Milken Center for Advancing the American Dream in downtown Washington, D.C. Join me as we dive into Robert Freimark's life and work and take a close-up look at the artistry and craftsmanship of his 50 States series. While not a household name like Georgia O'Keeffe or Jackson Pollock, Robert Freimark was nonetheless an influential American artist. He exhibited widely, and his works are held by many institutions, including the National Gallery of Art and the Smithsonian American Art Museum. In many ways, his life's journey evokes the American dream, with public service and education serving as a catalyst for personal success. Born in Michigan in 1922 and raised in Ohio, he knew from an early age he could draw well, eventually taking classes at the Toledo Museum of Art. During World War II, he served in the US Navy and afterwards used a GI Bill to attend the University of Toledo for a degree in creative writing. He followed up with a Master's of Fine Arts from the Cranbrook Academy of Art in Michigan. He believed in the transformative power of art and art as a catalyst for social justice. He established an art studio at California's Soledad State Prison to bring art instruction to the incarcerated. He was a teacher of art and was a professor at Ohio University, Harvard, and San Jose State University. Although sometimes called a modern Picasso, Freimark preferred a comparison to Henri Matisse, the French artist known for intense use of color as well as printmaking. For his 50 States series, Freimark chose silkscreen prints as his medium. This ancient technique demands attention to detail as well as forethought. Each of Freimark's prints are hand-pulled, a testament to his craftsmanship and dedication. His impressions for each work, gathered by visiting all 50 states in the 1960s, drew from field sketches inspired by geography, the built environment industry, and each state's vibrant history. Let's take a closer look at a few of these prints. Robert Freimark first saw the Maine coastline while serving in the US Navy. Overlapping tones of green, white, brown, and black suggest Maine's rocky eastern coastline. Rugged maritime landscapes and sheltered harbors where land and sea meet along a jagged, weathered coast. Using just 4 colors, Freimark captures a striking North Carolina landscape, the sky swooping down on the mountains of the state's western border. The artist, known for mixing his own paints, added metal flake to blues and purples to create a shimmering, sparkling effect, perhaps to evoke an Appalachian sunset. While Freimark was certainly skilled at abstraction and expressionism, his homage to Washington State shows his expertise at capturing the natural world. 3 great evergreen trees reveal an idyllic landscape, vibrant blue coastal waters, and a coastline blooming with purple, pink, and white orchids. These 3 prints, along with the other 47 displayed, are a celebration of the unique man-made and natural landscapes woven into the American tapestry. They speak to challenges to overcome and dreams of better futures, a fitting ode to America on its 250th birthday.